Today we're making a pizza for pizza and movie night. And we're going to begin by making the crust. So in a small bowl, you'll need about 3/4 cup of warm water, 1 pack of active dry yeast, and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. And just stir that together a little bit, then cover it and set it aside. And this is what the yeast mixture will look like when it's ready. You can mix this with a stand mixer or by hand in a large bowl. So just add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and whisk that together a little bit, and then add the yeast mixture. Now if you're using a stand mixer, just let that go for about 4 minutes on low. If you're doing this by hand, mix that by hand for at least 6 minutes, and then you'll have to knead it for a little longer when you turn it out onto the floured surface. Now put the dough on a floured surface, and if you used a stand mixer, you'll only need to knead the dough for about 1 minute. If you mixed it by hand, you'll have to knead it for about 5 or 6 minutes, and you'll know it's ready when you push on the dough and it springs back slightly. Have a bowl ready and put about a tablespoon of oil in it. And then put your ball of dough in there and turn it a few times to make sure that it is completely oiled all around. Cover that and set it aside in a warm place for about 10 minutes. After about 10 or 15 minutes, place your dough on a pizza pan. I am making 2 10-inch pizzas, so I divided the dough. And then I just added the toppings. I added pizza sauce, pepperoni, banana peppers, and mushrooms. And I did saute the mushrooms on the stove top before I added them to the pizza. And then bake that, have your oven preheated to about 450 degrees. You want a very hot oven. And this will take 10 to 12 minutes. In my oven, it took 10 minutes to bake the pizzas. And while this one was cooling, I went ahead and topped the other half of the pizza dough. And I just did the classic cheese and pepperoni. So give this recipe a try, enjoy, and have a nice movie and pizza night. See you later.